Here's how to view your Amazon login history and check if anyone else has accessed your account. Open your browser, go to Amazon.com, and sign in to your account. Hover over Account and Lists, and click Account to access your full settings. Under your account, find and click Login and Security. You may be asked to re-enter your password for verification. Scroll down until you see Secure Your Account or Advanced Security Settings. This area shows alerts about suspicious sign-ins and allows you to review devices tied to your account. Click View your active sessions, or devices depending on your region. Here you'll see devices currently logged into your account, their locations, browser and app details, last active time. If you see a device or location you don't recognize, you should remove it immediately. Click Sign Out or Remove next to any device you don't trust. Amazon will instantly log that device out and require a password to re-enter. For added protection, scroll up and change your password, turn on two-step verification, remove outdated phone numbers or emails. This ensures nobody can access your account again. And that's how to check your Amazon login history and secure your account.